So basically what happened was I tried to fix the dishwasher. I couldn't. And then there was another one outside that was supposed to be good. So I tried to replace it, but it was kind of gutted. So I tried to take the parts off of it and put it on the other one. And then I hooked it up and it didn't work. So I decided to light the old one on fire tonight. And then tomorrow I'm going to light the new one on fire. And I'm just going to buy a new dishwasher. Because, I spent a lot of time and a lot of effort on this. And it really pissed me off and stressed me out. So I'm just going to spend the money and get a new fucking dishwasher. It is a pretty fire though. Yeah, so I guess if you were wondering what a dishwasher looks like on fire, this would be the answer right here. Yeah, I made a little trail of gasoline so I didn't have to throw some and make it do all that bullshit. I'll burn a lot more shit tomorrow. These are my anger issues.